Hey, Future Phone Flash family, welcome back to your favorite spot for the latest in smartphone tech. Today we're diving deep into the future, the iPhone 16 series. With rumors swirling, we've got the scoop on what could be Apple's most groundbreaking launch yet. So, grab your seats because we're about to flash forward into the future of iPhone. First up, we're talking size, and in this case, bigger is definitely better. The iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max are rumored to boast larger displays, stretching to 6.3 inches and 6.9 inches respectively. This marks a significant jump, promising more screen real estate for everything you love to do. Next, let's focus on the eyes of these devices, the cameras. The iPhone 16 series may reintroduce a vertical camera layout, a nod to the iPhone 12, but with a twist. This could pave the way for advanced spatial video capabilities, especially intriguing for Apple Vision Pro enthusiasts. Now, for a bit of mystery, the capture button. This new addition to the iPhone 16 models is shrouded in speculation. What we do know is that it promises to add a new layer of functionality, especially for photo and video aficionados. Photography on the iPhone 16 Pro models is getting a major upgrade with a 48 megapixel ultra-wide lens, and for the first time, a super telephoto periscope camera on the Pro Max. Expect unparalleled zoom capabilities and stunning detail in every shot. The tech under the hood is getting just as impressive. With the introduction of Wi-Fi 7, A18 Pro chips and 5G advanced connectivity, the iPhone 16 series is set to offer lightning-fast speeds and unmatched efficiency. Say goodbye to traditional buttons as Apple may transition to solid state for a sleeker design. Lens technology. Display brightness and efficiency could see a boost with new micro lens technology. Expanded action button. More functionality is coming to the action button, making it even more versatile. AI and SIRI. Expect new SIRI features powered by advanced AI, promising a smarter, more responsive assistant. Sound and power. With an upgraded microphone and stacked battery technology, the iPhone 16 series is poised to deliver superior audio and longer battery life. Rumors hint at an iPhone 16 Ultra model, the pinnacle of Apple's smartphone lineup, featuring even more enhancements and possibly a portless design. Apple is not stopping there, with a new graphene thermal system and expanded storage options up to 2 TB for the Pro models, setting a new standard for performance and capacity. There you have it, Future Phone Flash fam, a glimpse into what could be the most exciting iPhone series yet. From larger displays to cutting-edge technology, the iPhone 16 series is shaping up to be a game changer. Keep it locked here for more updates, and as always, we'll keep shining a light on the future of phones. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future flashes. Catch you in the next video.